But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Welcome back to the channel once again, and if it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are all the way from East Legon Hills, Santeo area. I mean, you can see the Sillicone Accra Golf, right? So this is a golf course here at East Legon. And today's video, I mean, we have, a house which is going for sale, which we just toured. We will get back later. And also we have plots of land in this area going for sale, right? So this is just a footage for you to see some of the amenities in the area and also what to expect, right, in the neighborhood if you buy the land or you buy the house, right? I mean, this is your neighborhood. And the lands that, we have in this area are all in a gated community. So, this gives you an idea where you are actually, investing, right? You can do you can use it for Airbnb and all kinds of stuff. If you already have your houses somewhere or you already have a property anywhere, this is the future of this community that we are bringing to you. So if you are interested, in this property, or you want to buy the house or purchase a land in this gated community, just get in touch with me on the numbers on your screen, and I'll forward you to the right people to deal with. Because of the rate to the dollar to the Ghana cedis rate, I don't want to put the prices here because, as you can see, it's a fast developing area, and the prices doesn't stay the same. It keep changing because you can see the type of houses in this area. And every new house here brings development to the place and the price goes high. So if you want to know more, you are interested, get in touch with me and I'll forward you to the right people for the current price of this property, right? So the house that we just saw, I mean, it is a 5-bedroom house. The land is registered and it is in the gated community, right? So for those that are interested, like I said once again, details are on the screen. Get in touch and then I'll forward you to the right people for you to start negotiating with them on this property. One last thing I'll add to the video is about you seeing this thing as, as an investment, right, in the future. So let's say if you get a plot of land here, and I mean, most of the people building here are not thinking about apartments. Everybody is building his or her own dream house. But when all the land is finished, everybody has built his or her own dream house. People will still want to be part of this community. People will still want to, live, because by then the whole is like a hot cake now, like how East Legon is now. So then the next boom thing for you to do is, put up an apartment in this place and get a cash out, right? People will come, maybe you can use it for Airbnb, for long stay, short stay, and all that, right? I just want to chip that in here. So if you are interested, get in touch with us. And thanks for watching today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next episode. Like, do we?